A beautiful home is easy to admire, but a truly designed home, it makes you feel every single day. In comfort, in function, and in everyday living. Hello everyone, I'm Sahana from Interazzo. Welcome to Soulace Villa, which belongs to Mr. Dinesh, Priya and Shayan. A luxury home designed to be beautiful, functional and timeless. Let's begin. Imagine you open the door and this is the first thing that welcomes you. A home introduces itself within seconds. The 3D mural panel creates a striking first impression while the idle ledges brings warmth and positivity. Storage below is seamlessly integrated and passage is enhanced with dedicated space for plants and decors, elegant paneling and spotlights. This is where life truly happens. A double height living area creates a grand first impression. The TV unit becomes the focal point with marble textured paneling, fluted details and mirror accents. We have base unit below along with open storage. The tall unit follows a solids and void storage concept while the glass shutter for the decors adds sophistication to the space. Double height motorized curtains and the ceiling designed with a statement chandelier beautifully elevate the overall ambience. To the other side, we plan for a one-way cassette AC along with ambient lighting. Fancy kitchens doesn't always mean practical living. The best designs always balances design, functionality and quality. And this design of the kitchen is built exactly on that philosophy. Designed with an island and L-shaped kitchen along with a utility layout, this kitchen is planned to make everyday living effortless. The scissor stone Empira white countertop continued as the wall dado creates a seamless and premium look. The island is thoughtfully designed with storage. On both the sides, we added 4-burner hob and an island chimney. On one side, we have provided Legra boxes with a glass front as an elegant storage option. The kitchen comes with black Gola profile as an opening mechanism and a glossy acrylic finish, giving it a sleek and modern appearance. We have also planned dedicated space for refrigerator, a tall unit with inbuilt appliances and roller shutter with storage inside. An interesting highlight here is the crockery unit designed to open from both the sides for easy accessibility. Profile lighting inside the crockery unit further enhances the look with premium touch. Aluminium frame shutters for the shelves beautifully complement the overall design. The island false ceiling with cove lighting and surface lights elevates the ambience, while the blinds are carefully chosen to match the kitchen color palette. In the main kitchen, we have provided a carousel sink with the under sink RO unit. The utility area includes base unit and a wall unit storage, an inbuilt dishwasher, dedicated space for washing machine and an SS sink. We have also planned additional overhead storage for decors and cleaning essentials. As soon as somebody enters from the main door, this is the accentuated wall that they will notice. Hence here we have created a MDF panel work with the Duco paint and we have created ledges along with some cove lighting and all to keep some artifacts. As a soft panel, we have added laminated wooden paneling along with cove lighting. Every meaningful conversation eventually finds its way here. Designed to feel warm and inviting, dining area beautifully balances comfort and elegance. The 3D paneling with leaf-inspired mirror detailing creates a stunning visual element. The island and peripheral ceiling with layered lighting further enhances the dining experience. Every home has one space that is deeply personal, and for this home, it was Puja unit. Their vision was clear. They want to make it completely open when there is a gathering and keep it look like space inside the space for daily routines. To bring this vision to life, we designed a beautiful bifold doors with gold aluminium fluted glass partition with CNC design that instantly elevates the space, ensuring smooth functionality. Inside we created base unit storage and a quartz countertop, elegant CNC wall paneling and warm ambient lighting along with ceiling details further enhance the overall experience, creating a space that feels peaceful, redefined and truly special. In the common wash basin area, we created a base unit storage along with shutters, and above we have provided a countertop wash basin with the LED mirror. For the staircase wall, we have created a paneling with the fluted work along with the mirror, and also we have planned for a painting. And in the landing area, we created a cozy corner with the cushioning, and also we treated the wall with texture wallpaper along with wall decor. Now let's step into one of the most personal spaces in the home, the master bedroom. We believe great design begins with understanding how people live, their lifestyle, their needs and their comfort. This master bedroom is designed exactly around that thought. The king size cot with the storage paired with a linear tufted headboard and side tables on either side creates a warm and elegant focal point. The wall behind bed is thoughtfully detailed with laminated paneling, beveled mirror work, wallpaper, T-profiles and fluted panels, bringing richness and sophistication to the space. In the corner, we have also planned a tall unit for book storage, adding both functionality and character. The dresser area features a semicircular mirror with cove lighting, fluted paneling and a tall unit with glass shutter for storage, making the space both stylish and practical. In front of the cot, we have created a texture wall with fluted panels on either side highlighted with cove lighting to elevate the overall look. A full-size mirror is thoughtfully placed in front of the treadmill, making the fitness corner feel more spacious and functional. We have also designed a walk-in wardrobe divided into two segments with shutters and a drawers below and additional shutters above for maximum storage. To complete the space, we have added a foldable study ensuring functionality blends seamlessly with everyday living. A flat fall ceiling with profile lighting and cob lighting further enhances the ambience, creating calm and relaxing atmosphere. Every bedroom tells a story of unwinding after a long days and recharging for new ones, and a spaces that truly feels your own. And this son's bedroom is designed to reflect exactly that. For this bedroom, we have maintained a sophisticated grey theme, creating a modern and timeless look. The king size cot with tufting all around, paired with side tables on either side and a linear tufted headboard, creates a comfortable and elegant focal point. The wall behind is enhanced with wallpaper, T-profiles and fluted panels on either side with cove lighting, adding warmth and visual interest. Right in front of the cot, we have designed an adjustable study with storage above, creating practical space for a work and study. One of the most striking element here is the walk-in wardrobe, designed with Aristo synchro shutters featuring top channels, frosted glass and sleek black frames. And inside, we have created a finished wardrobe with the laminate mirror and a fluted laminate detailing. It creates a modern and premium look. To maximize functionality, we have also created an openable L corner with 165-degree hinges, ensuring easy access to the entire corner storage space. For additional storage, we have planned a glass shutters for toy storage and continued the same design into the loft. The dresser with the mirror along with paneling above and profile lighting adds both style and functionality. We have also added more storage with an adjacent hinged wardrobe, ensuring the room remains organized and practical. We did a flat fall ceiling with profile lighting and cob lighting and created a pelmet for the curtain tracks. Also, we have planned a provision for AC on top of it. The bedroom should always feel warm, comfortable and thoughtfully designed. In the parents' bedroom, we have designed a queen-size cot paired with 2 side tables on either side creates a practical and comfortable setup. The linear tufted headboard complemented by a wallpaper and fluted panel detailing adds elegance and warmth to the space. For added functionality, one of the side tables is thoughtfully converted into a dresser with a mirror placed above. We have also provided hinged wardrobe with contrast handles along with loft storage to maximize storage efficiency. Completing the space is a flat fall ceiling with a clean cutout provision for curtain tracks, ensuring a seamless finish. Thoughtful design is not just about main spaces, it should reflect in every corner of the home. Designed to feel warm, comfortable and functional, this guest bedroom beautifully balances style and practicality. The wall trims with beading and wallpaper add elegance, while the hinged wardrobe complements the overall palette seamlessly. A king-size cot with storage, a tufted headboard brings both comfort and functionality to the space. The side table, a flat fall ceiling and pelmet for the curtains further enhance the overall look. To make the space even more versatile, we have added dresser and a foldable study table. Some spaces are designed for living and some spaces are designed for escaping, and this space is where creativity, entertainment and passion come together. As we come to an end of this home tour, I would like to thank the entire team who worked on this project and also our customers for their cooperation. If you are planning to transform your home into a space that reflects your lifestyle, we would love to bring your vision to life. This is Interazzo, creating spaces designed around you.